morning when I wake and the sun is coming through. Oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I be close to you? Can I take you to a moment where the fields are painted gold and the trees are filled with memories of the feelings never told?